Rains are crazy.
This is the rain. Everywhere is white. Man, look at in the story building right happening now in Abuante, man. Bro, nimekuwa yani.
Leo imeamua. Alafu hata pati inadondoka.
This is happening now in Abuante. Bwana, matukio yale yaliyosema siku za mwisho ndio hizi.
Guys, it's a very crazy day here. My boots, guys, I've never seen such a huge rain. Let me show you. So here is at Mayugno's place, guys. We are really wandering rail, guys, like train like crazy. Look at, oh my god, look at the, hey guys, I've never seen such a big rainfall like this one. Look at this. These are the storms. Very huge rainfall, very big. Look at it. Even the smoke, I don't know where the smoke is coming out of. It's just smoking. Wow, very big rainfall, very big. Look at this, man. Look at this, guys. All these are ice. Guys, this is Europe, not even Kenya. Europe. This is Mayugno's place, guys. And rains have really decided to punish us severely. Or dearly, you know. Dearly or severely. Look at snow everywhere. It has really rained like crazy. Look at the rains. Oh my god, look at the rains, guys. This is so crazy, so crazy, so crazy, so crazy, guys. I was inside the house, guys, and unfortunately, I was shocked, guys. Look at just how it looks like. You look at it. Even my legs here are snowing. Look at. Hey. Look at everywhere. It's snowing. Snow, guys. Look at it. These rains have been massive, guys. I want to see the villa. Iammarwa villa is down there. Guys, it has rained crazy. Look at the gate. It has destroyed the gate completely. You hear? Guys. Look at. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. These rains, I've never seen such a rain. Look at how things are at the moment. Look at it, guys. Look at this ice all over. Ice. Ice, guys. Oh my god. It was so heavy. So heavy, guys, and a lot of winds, actually. A lot of winds. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know even what to say. Like, I'm just confused, guys. I'm so much confused. You see the rains? You can hear. The river is overflowing down there at the Marwa's place. That's the villa, guys. That's the villa. Let me zoom it. That's the villa. And I am at Mayugno's place here. And I've never seen such a rain like this. I've never experienced such a rain. I've never even seen, guys. I've never seen such a rain, guys. Guys, today I've never seen such a rain in my entire life. A big rain like this one, guys. I want you to see. Look at. This is snow. This is Kenya, guys, not Europe. But look at how things are. Look at it, guys. I've never seen such a rain. We are at Mayugno's place. Let me take you around and see. This is what is really happening. It's crazy. It's crazy, like very crazy, guys. Look, even the smoke is coming out. Look, guys. Look at how things are. Look at these guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Snow. Snow, guys. It's snowing over here. Oh my god. It's kind of really snowing. Snowing already. Crazy, isn't it? Very much crazy.
Emma will take it.
Imagine hii yangu hata imeshona already. Ko very much full. Kanawaka vizuri.
Let me show you guys what is really going on over here. Takemera kareka here. Chokyo ntega tenko hanchere.
Utumbo ndo utu. Mura kwali nani imejaa ndani. Bwana mwita make no geko kora. Muri batigina hira iammarwa hira kibono ma. Kati ya mwindi mutire. Sali bakimi chipu kegenda.
Tia guys.
Big fish. Miasu piano. Wakabo jana ni kwanza mwindi. Mimi niko bora. Wewe acha na ikopo na kitu cha ndani. Hata kwa na wasiwasi na hiyo. Ona nenda wewe sufuria kale kadogo ni kuonyesha. Hizo ndo tutakula.
So we are doing, guys, nyama choma here. This is nyama choma over here. I really enjoy the meat, guys. At Mayugno's place. Guys, it's snowing already. Yes. So guys, you can imagine, look at the weather. It's snowing already. I've never seen such a weather, guys. Look at it. It's smoking, guys. It's smoking already. Smoking, look at it. Smoking, guys. I've never seen such a weather. I'm even wondering, look at it. So we're eating some meat, guys. We're enjoying, but the weather has really shocked us. So guys, keep on watching. I'll see do more and more videos, guys.
Oya majamaa, kujeni, kiminda kuja. Yes. Guys, it has been raining. Kuja, kiminda kuja.
Snow in Africa.
Yes. Tuiweke hapa hivi kando. Ero, tukutusaidie gate tu.
So guys, we are cooking ugali here. This is ugali.
Tukiupuga gari tunapeleka ndani.
Waacha sasa lete unga mimi au
unga wapi?
mimi mwenyewe.
Tutamwaga chini.
Tunumwana kunga. Ontegele. Sawa. Lete hiyo unga ni kuonyesha.
Unga ndio hapa. Acha kwanza ikive.
Mimi naelewa. Wewe ndio. Ubazenga
Ugali with meat.
Yes. Lete unga mimi bazutadi. Tapika nipike nikuwekele. Alafu ikahi boy wa oregona. Enda kubuturu bukimamba kabuichore iga. Furubu. Yes. Bazutadi. Yes. Taretu obose.
Guys, today it has really rained like crazy. Don't mind those people. They are drunkard, drunkard people. So they are complaining. I don't know because like that they like shouting. He's trying to complain. You want to cook the food. So look at how the world is today, guys. In Nyabohansi, it looked like we are in Europe or United States somewhere there. Look at it. You see, it's snow all over, snowing everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. It's snowing, guys. You see, it is snowing, snowing, snowing everywhere. You see the other end. Oh my God! Look at how beautiful. It looks like, guys, I've never seen such a weather. It is for the very first time I'm witnessing this. Look at how it is. Look at how it looks like. Guys, it's so amazing. You see? It has rained a lot. A lot. Look at snow. And actually today, guys, we are celebrating birthday of Mayugno. It's a very special day. Very special day. We are here. But we are surprised with the rains. It has never rained this way. I don't know. It's climate change or something. Yeah, it's snow all over. Even inside the house, it was raining like crazy. Mayugno's home. This is Mama Grace's house. It was raining like crazy, guys. So we had to take a break. Actually, the gate fell down. I don't know if I showed you. I was trying to lift it up because the gate was swept away by the rains. It was much wind, much ice like this one. Wow. It has really rained like crazy surely. But it's over. It's over now. Down there there's a stream flowing. So right now, guys, we're cooking food. We want to make some food before we start the celebration. We have to eat first. I've tasted the meat. It's super delicious. Roasted meat, actually. Yeah, so it's how things looks like. Mayugno's place, guys. Guys, welcome to this particular channel. If it's your first time watching me, I go by the name Gold Sam. That's my YouTube channel, guys, or Gold_Sam. That's how nowadays. Either of the way it will bring the channel. Either of the two. Gold Sam or Gold Sam_Sam. It is one channel actually. It will bring actually. So we are pushing each and every day new videos, showing you exactly what's really happening. As you can see, those other area, the other end there, you see those trees where the smoke is coming from. That is where grandma's home is, the other end. And then the villa is just down here. Villa I showed you in the previous, when we were beginning the video, I've shown you. And yeah, I've got, this is the house that is under construction. This one, the villa of Mayugno. This one actually, it's very big, very big. You can just see it. It's very big. So we're trying to make sure it is complete. He's building actually, step by step, step by step. Right now we are in the second floor. Oh, let me show you. Let me take you around. Let me take you around. It's raining, guys. My phone. It's raining like crazy. So this is the house. We are climbing. This is actually the first floor. The first floor is over here. This is the first floor area. Let me show you the first floor area. What it looks like. This is the first room area. First floor here. You can see this is the first floor. Down is there. You can see down there. Yeah, we are in the first floor area. Let me clean my phone. Hey guys, my phone is watered. So this is the first floor area. You can see, guys, it's a very big house. This will be, I think, the kitchen area of the bedroom. Where the bedroom where I was is the kitchen, maybe, I don't know, or the toilet area. And then you can see the other end down there. You can see the other end. Look at how massive it is. Look at how massive it is. So it is like that. You see? Now let me take you to up here. You see what's really happening on the first floor here. So the second floor actually, I mean. So this is where the second floor area is. This house is so big. Look at the village life. It has really rained like crazy. You see, we have a lot of what you call the rocks here. Wow, it's quite good. And then we climb. Look at this is the ice, guys. It has really rained like crazy. All of this is ice. It's very cold. All of that ice. So actually, guys, my phone is watered. I need a GoPro, guys. One day, I really wish God will bless me. So I'm climbing to the third or upstairs. So I think it will continue to the other level. So this is actually the up area. You can see I was here 2 years ago. I showed you the video. I know most of you didn't watch because the video didn't go viral actually. But this is the place. This is the area. This is the top, top of the villa of Mayugnos. Look at the other end over there. Look at how far it is. Look at how far things are. See? Look at the river. The river is flooded, I'm telling you, my people. The river down there is very much flooded because it rained a lot of rains. A lot, guys, I'm telling you, a lot of rains. A lot of huge rains over here. So it has really rained like crazy. And yeah, we are happy. From this other end, look at how down the area looks like. That's Mayugno's home. So actually, guys, this is the top area. You can see everything. And it is raining still, drizzling. So my phone is already, I'm just going to cut short. I don't want my phone to get wet actually because it will not work actually. So I'm praying that one day I get a GoPro so that I can be shooting these videos for you without any worries. Because GoPro is a waterproof, guys. It doesn't water. Look at how far down it is. Oh, I'm even scared. When you fall from this point, my God, you'll see fire. So this is actually the top area. This is how beautiful the home is. So guys, my phone is watered. Let me go back because it's raining, guys. It's raining. So let me go back so that I can clean my phone actually. I think that place is good when it's during the day to shoot the video during the day. So
Benyu mukia bien moranya marambe nyamase. Bakamunga marambe. Nyamase manene. Asili yetu ndio mbraka. Awe. Manguna ikulekana. Guys, enjoy. Kuna mayuguna pamoja. Ni mkilia. Ya. Isi mukilie ibichivia hano. Debazenga ya nini? Ira, ngaka ngo kidogo. Bonombo kali. Bonombo kimamra, boro watamo montu ngumi awokwigoro hara. Yura tinga bohe kidogo. Catch. Nomba tano. Catch this sufuria. Yeah, man. Mimi ndo nimefanya kazi hapa kwa bana. Kitu mramo kali nyama hemiri. Kali nyama hapa ni guru onyala mukima bro. Oh, hey. Tata ni amarano arusiri. Tunafanya. Bakaba yugurangu ora. Nyama yuko na tamaa. Sawa. Nini? paja moja huko na nusu. Pigia hapa sisi hapa. Hiyo nyingine tuwapelekee. Sasa tuweze na kukaa bure na wote kama wasiwe. Wewe. Ona. Wow.
Ndio mwambie alete
nyama tutakiwa. Acha kwanza alete sana.
Nimwambie
alete sana kwangu.
Sani sisimia kwanza unaweka.
I don't know. See, listen.
I don't
listen to you. Good, catch.
Girl is being prepared.
Tapisha basi hapo mwana kwanza. Stay tuned. Wow. Ishida kikirengo imikia hii. Dakika sana. Ba. Mra. Yeah.
Abaki mapare kwa.
Mukirika. Mayugno. Mahali.
Hapo bwana na hiyo mchana sana.
Mukirika. Mahali hai.
Sawa ni venye ajui kama
Ma inge piki. Tipo bebe mo. Kuma muri jambo bebe kwa kamba. Ano wae. Chukua sekunde 10.
Fanya aje? Piga hata hizo mbona. Sini mwaka.
Nimewaka.
We are eating, guys. We're eating ugali here. This is ugali, guys. It's a meat right here.
Nini?
Sima.
Ugali utapewa.
acha ukata nyama mwanangu kule.
Kuleni mimi nawakatia. Mimi vitu kama hivi. Kuna chumvi kwa hapo kwenye sufuria. Bona mbahegete kibono sasa bomona. Chumvi kwa. Anaenda ile chumvi.
Chumvi hapa.
Salt.
Chile badongo chile. Maka tumalize isembe. Sasa kama nyanda kula kwao. Hakuna. Hapa ni chai tu.
Enda huko.
Nika. Kama bunzi. Wanango kono mokongo. Mura, taragira wigote. Sawa. Hivi na nenda tu. Ule mrisha mwingine.
Ameenda vile huko chini.
Jamani, give me chance. A small chance.
You don't want chance.
Kama mtu ayuko raki alikuwa.
Sasa mimi umeniona wapi?
Budget yao iko mle.
Sisi si eti ni sisi tumechinja.
Finally guys. It's eating.
Who is
You know this? Wow, yeah. Ugali nao tuko. Bado zile ziko zinakuja kwa sufuria. Ni kwa vile sijakata.
Hebu haya.
Bazeka kumbe kwenye ugali na
Mayugno.
Walikuwa hapo kwa tata mnamba.
Mungu anakupenda.
Ya bazeka.
Wacha mimi niongee kidogo.
Lakini mawafanyia
Nataka niongee tu. Samahani.
Kitu nzuri.
Tusiongee hata
Mimi pia hajachinja. Ile hapa mimi nataka
chukua mkanda sasa.
ng'ombe ni wakuja sasa tarehe 6 tarehe 7.
Kusikia?
Tunachinja ng'ombe.
Mayugno. Nataka niongee. Naongea na wewe. Wewe ni bro. Sasa sisi tumeshaku lakini ukweli sisi ona tunakuraga vitu kali. Enda ukichukua vitu uende kwako ujue na sisi tunakunywa pombe. Na uambie.
Hello, my good people. I don't know if you can see me. It's dark at night, and I'm shooting this video at my bed here. And let me turn. I don't know which direction. Yeah. So, guys, I just want to update you on few things that has really happened. So today, guys, It has been a very sad day in the village, and the reason being there is a heavy rain that has occurred in like decades. Yeah, in decades. It has never rained like this in Nyabohanse. And the rains have, guys, I've never seen such a huge rains. Guys, we were today we left grandma's home to go and do some partying at Mayugno's place because he was celebrating a birthday today. So as we entered there, the rains from nowhere came from Tanzania. You know, we are just close to the border, came from Tanzania. The rains were not normal. They were these hailstone rains. Can you imagine? It was not the rains that you see, it's stone falling from the sky. Guys, it has really damaged my Yugno's home completely, guys. Like, it was raining into the house and I was there. Like, I didn't, even we were shocked, guys. Even the beginning of this video, you have seen actually, it has really rained crazy. And heavy rainfall for it, guys. Very heavy rainfall, guys. I didn't even expect to see such a huge rainfall. And it was even, I don't know, I'll show you in the, like, I don't know, we collected, you know, dozens of the hails in the, you know, in the, what we call this, cans, you know, water cans. They were full of the scan, you know. So hey guys, we were really shocked. It damaged the power system actually. Maybe he'll explain in the next video, his video. Actually, we were here to celebrate, but the birthday was cut short actually because of the rains. It was really disappointed us. There was no internet connectivity, there's no power, there's no charging of our phones. Actually, it cut off the solar system completely. Guys, hey, these rains, I don't know if it was sand or something, and it's flooded everywhere. And the funny thing, guys, is that I've never seen such a raining, and then actually the like mist come from nowhere. Mist completely. It's during the day, and the mist comes in automatically and covers the area. Guys, I was so shocked actually. I was so shocked. I didn't even expect that. So it was so like crazy, and thank God everything went on well. We did okay, actually the party did not continue as usual. Maybe at night it will continue, but I left there at exactly 7 p.m. because it was dark and the power was not there. He was trying to to put on the generator, so it was still a problem, guys. But the rains were crazy. Again, at the villa of Iammarwa, the great Iammarwa, guys, the rains again destroyed the solar system. I don't know why it was targeting the solar system. Actually, that is one thing I'm shocked. It was cutting the solar panels up there. It was taking them like completely. It was a wind. It was coming with a huge amount of wind and force, you know. And hey, I've never seen such a rain, guys. It was crazy, guys. I'm telling you, it was crazy. It has really rained like, oh, like no man's business, guys. But we thank God, everyone is safe. Apart from all the damages that has occurred, everyone is safe. And yeah, even Marwa will premiere this video, and you'll be able to see in his channel what really happened. It was crazy, guys. Crazy rainfall. So I hope all will be well, and we thank God. We pray for everything. Like, I pray that rain never comes again. I've never witnessed such a rain. It was so huge that we were inside the house of Mayugno, and it was blowing up to the wind. Like, it was destroying even the TV. It was raining on the TV area. Like, guys, I don't want to remember that kind of rainfall. Wow, it was crazy. Hey, guys. But the party didn't go as we all planned. But we thank God. We enjoyed, we ate, we celebrated. But hope next time it will be well. That's my wish. And that is it, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I'll be ending this video here. I hope you have learned something today. It was not a good day, but we thank God. It started well. It ended with some, but we thank God for everything. We thank God we are safe. So if you're watching this video for the very first time, my name is Goldson Sam. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like, and also share your comment. Let me know where you're from, and leave a sweet comment, of course. And